Benjamin Nyirenda, Eswatini Daily News. Coach, you have played 3 league games without a win, but though you drew one with Magesi, but you have lost 2. But in the MTN 8, you have won all these 2 first games. What do you think is the difference in the league and in the MTN 8?
I think it's very clear that we need to be here to speak about a different competition than the league. We've done well in the MTN to put ourselves into the semi-final and to put ourselves in a strong position to make the final. That's all we're concentrating on. We're concentrating on Saturday's fixture, which is a massive fixture for us and a massive opportunity to once again get into another final.
Coach, as Fatwan has said, is Benjamin Nyirenda, Eswatini Daily News. And Coach, at playing at home, you came from 2-0 down against CS Galaxy and won 3-2. You have done very well at home this season. With Stellenbosch coming with a 2-0 lead, what do you do? Do you say, let's go all out and you leave the back door open? Or how is the approach of the game? Do you want to just take it on from the start, the first whistle until the last?
Yeah, obviously, I try and treat it almost like this is the second half of the game and we tunnel down exactly what happened against TS Galaxy. So what becomes important, obviously we have to take more risk in attack. We have to be a lot braver on the ball. We have to be more assertive in attack. But you mustn't be stupid. You've got to be clever. You know they're going to look to try and hit you on the break and on the counter attack. Your work ethic has to be really, really high. Your concentration levels has to be very, very high. But you need to be positive to be able to go out there and obviously look to try and get that early goal. As I said, 2-1 lead is never a comfortable position for the team that finds itself in that 2-1 lead position. So as I said, if we can get an early goal, that'll put a lot of pressure on them. And obviously it will motivate us even more to want to go and get the equalizer.